Ever wondered how Taiwan, a small island nation, has emerged as a global economic powerhouse? Let's delve into this intriguing journey. In the beginning, Taiwan's economy was primarily agricultural. The island was rich in natural resources, and its fertile land allowed for an abundance of crops. But as the world was rapidly industrializing, Taiwan recognized the need to evolve. In the years following World War II, the nation began an ambitious economic transformation. It shifted its focus from agriculture to manufacturing. This wasn't a simple task. It required significant investment in infrastructure, education, and technology. But Taiwan was up for the challenge. It strategically invested in industries like textiles and electronics, quickly becoming a manufacturing hub. The world began to take notice. Thus, Taiwan's journey began, from an agrarian society to a manufacturing giant. It's a tale of resilience, foresight, and economic savvy. But this was just the first step in Taiwan's economic evolution. Stick around to hear more about this remarkable transformation. In the 1960s, Taiwan's economy started its transformation. A tale of rapid industrialization began, fueled by a cocktail of potent factors that would soon turn this small island into a manufacturing powerhouse. Imagine a world where "Made in Taiwan" became a common tag on products across the globe. This wasn't by sheer luck, but by deliberate strategies and a keen vision for economic growth. Taiwan's government, in a bid to boost the economy, adopted export-oriented industrialization. This strategy revolved around producing goods not for domestic consumption, but for export to global markets. Now think of a nation that understood the value of its human resources. Taiwan's workforce was its trump card, and it played it well. A strong emphasis on education and training cultivated a skilled labor force that was ready to take on the manufacturing challenges of the day. This was not just about quantity, but quality. Government policies were the catalyst in this economic equation. A robust infrastructure was developed to support the burgeoning manufacturing sector. Industrial parks were established, providing a conducive environment for businesses to thrive and grow. The government also offered attractive incentives encouraging both local and foreign investment. But that's not all. Taiwan's strategic location also played a part in its manufacturing success. Its proximity to major markets in the Asia-Pacific region provided a significant advantage, allowing for efficient distribution and logistics. And let's not forget the entrepreneurial spirit of the Taiwanese people. They were quick to adapt to new technologies and manufacturing processes, always striving for excellence and innovation. So you see, it was a combination of these factors: export-oriented industrialization, a skilled labor force, strategic government policies, and an indomitable entrepreneurial spirit that propelled Taiwan into the global manufacturing arena. And thus, Taiwan had established itself as a manufacturing wonder, but the nation had more in store. The stage was set for the next act in Taiwan's economic saga, the transition to a high-tech hub. But that's a story for another scene. As the world entered the digital age, so did Taiwan. A new era was dawning, and Taiwan was not about to be left behind. As the rest of the world was still finding its footing in this new digital frontier, Taiwan was already making strides in the high-tech industry. The shift from manufacturing to high-tech industries was not a sudden one, but rather a gradual evolution. Taiwan's economic planners saw the potential in the burgeoning digital sector and seized the opportunity. They began to invest heavily in research and development, fostering an environment conducive to innovation and technological advancement. This was a bold move, a calculated risk, but one that would soon pay off. As the manufacturing industry began to wane, the high-tech industry started to take its place. Taiwan's economic landscape began to transform, and at the heart of this transformation was the semiconductor industry. Semiconductors are the bedrock of modern digital technology, and Taiwan recognized their importance early on. The rise of the semiconductor industry in Taiwan was nothing short of meteoric. At the heart of this rise was the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC for short. TSMC took the global stage by storm, asserting itself as a leader in the semiconductor industry. Their success didn't just put them on the map, it put Taiwan on the map. TSMC's success story is a testament to Taiwan's foresight and adaptability. They saw the future and they prepared for it. They understood that in the digital age, semiconductors were not just a commodity, but a necessity. And they didn't just meet this demand, they exceeded it. But it wasn't just TSMC. numerous other tech giants started to emerge from Taiwan, each one contributing to the country's high-tech transformation. Companies like Foxconn, MediaTek, and Asus have all played pivotal roles in shaping Taiwan into the high-tech hub it is today. This marked Taiwan's transformation into a high-tech hub, a pivotal moment in its economic journey. The shift from manufacturing to tech didn't just change Taiwan's economy, it changed its identity. Taiwan was no longer just a manufacturing marvel, it was a high-tech powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with in the digital age. Every journey has its hurdles and Taiwan's was no exception. Taiwan's economic journey from manufacturing powerhouse to high-tech hub was filled with challenges. One of the most significant hurdles was diplomatic isolation. As a nation with a unique status, Taiwan often found itself excluded from international organizations and trade agreements. This isolation limited its ability to leverage global markets and expand its economic influence. But here's the thing. Taiwan didn't let diplomatic obstacles define its path. Instead, it focused on building robust bilateral relationships, one country at a time. It forged a network of trade partners that allowed it to circumvent the constraints of diplomatic isolation. Taiwan's ability to adapt to this challenge showcases its resilience and strategic acumen. Another major challenge was the lack of natural resources. Taiwan is a small island nation with limited arable land and scarce mineral resources. This scarcity could have stunted its growth, but Taiwan turned it into an opportunity. It invested in human capital, fostering a skilled workforce that became the backbone of its economic success. Taiwan's story is a testament to the power of innovation and the importance of investing in people. Then there was competition from neighboring countries. As other countries in the region developed, Taiwan found itself in a fierce battle for global market share. It was a contest of who could innovate faster, produce better, and sell cheaper. Taiwan faced this competition head-on, leveraging its technological prowess and commitment to quality to carve out a unique position in the global market. Taiwan's story is not one of a smooth-sailing journey, it's a tale of a nation that faced significant challenges and turned them into opportunities. It's a narrative of resilience, adaptability, and sheer determination. Despite the odds, Taiwan's resilience shone through, propelling its economy forward. Taiwan's economic journey is a powerful reminder that challenges can be stepping stones to success, that limitations can spark innovation, and that resilience can propel a nation forward. It's a story of how a small island nation became a global economic powerhouse. So, what does the future hold for Taiwan's economy? As we look ahead, Taiwan's economy paints an optimistic picture. Its strategic position in the global supply chain, particularly in the technology sector, positions it for continued growth and prominence. Taiwan's high-tech industry is a vital cog in the global machine, responsible for manufacturing key components that power our digital world. But the future is not without its challenges. As technology evolves, so too must Taiwan's industries. The country's reliance on semiconductor manufacturing, while a strength, also makes it vulnerable to market fluctuations and technological disruptions. To remain competitive, Taiwan will need to continue investing in research and development, as well as in training its workforce for the jobs of the future. In addition, Taiwan faces demographic challenges. Its rapidly aging population and low birth rate could lead to labor shortages and increased social welfare costs. To address this, Taiwan will need to explore strategies such as promoting immigration, encouraging higher birth rates, and leveraging automation and artificial intelligence to supplement its labor force. Moreover, Taiwan's economic prospects are closely tied to its geopolitical situation. Being a key player in the global tech industry also puts it at the center of international trade tensions. Navigating these complex dynamics will require diplomatic finesse and strategic partnerships. Yet, despite these challenges, Taiwan has proven itself to be remarkably resilient and adaptable. Its journey from a manufacturing powerhouse to a high-tech hub demonstrates its ability to reinvent itself in the face of change. It has continually transformed challenges into opportunities, leveraging its strengths while addressing its weaknesses. Taiwan's future lies in its ability to innovate and adapt. By investing in its people, embracing new technologies, and navigating the global economic landscape with strategic foresight, Taiwan can secure its place as a critical player in the global economy. The future of Taiwan's economy is not a given, it's a possibility, one that is shaped by the choices it makes today. With its innovative spirit and resilience, Taiwan is well poised to continue its economic success. To sum up, Taiwan's economic journey is indeed a remarkable one. From its humble beginnings as an agricultural society, it has evolved into a manufacturing marvel. This wasn't just a sudden leap, but a strategic transition, driven by the audacious vision of its leaders and the relentless work ethic of its people. The transformation didn't stop there. Taiwan has since reinvented itself as a global high-tech hub. It faced numerous challenges along the way, but each one was met with resilience and innovative solutions. Whether it was finding new markets, upgrading technologies, or navigating geopolitical complexities, Taiwan has consistently proven its mettle. Looking ahead, Taiwan's future prospects are bright. With its continued focus on technological innovation and strategic planning, the island nation is well positioned to maintain its economic momentum. Taiwan's economic journey serves as a testament to the power of innovation, strategic planning, and resilience. It's a story of a small island nation that dared to dream big and succeeded.